Space is a vacuum, and it's not the kind of vacuum where you can accidentally suck up your little sister's favorite toy. It's the 10 scary facts about space. Welcome back to my channel, my lovely science enthusiasts. Today, I am going to take you all on a journey that is going to give you goosebumps and shivers down your spine. I'm sure everyone loves space and the mysteries that it holds. But did you know that space is much more than just stars and galaxies? Today, I am going to reveal 10 scary facts about space that you wouldn't believe exist. So, buckle up, grab a snack, and let's get started. Shot 1. The ultimate vacuum where nothing, and I mean nothing, can survive. There is no air, no oxygen, and no other kind of environmental coverage that can sustain life. Visual. A visual of a vacuum cleaner with nothing being sucked in. Shot 2. Black holes. Black holes are considered the most dangerous things in space, and it's not just because of their name. They are places in space where gravity is so strong that nothing, not even light, can escape from it. It's a one-way ticket for anything that gets too close, and it's estimated that there are millions of them in our galaxy alone. Visual. A visual explanation of a black hole, stars being sucked in, and disappearing. Shot 3. The Van Allen belts. The Van Allen belts are two belts of intense radiation that surround the Earth. It's like a force field of charged particles, and they can pose a serious threat to astronauts and satellites that orbit around the Earth. The astronauts on the Apollo missions had to speed through these belts as quickly as possible to limit their radiation exposure. Visual. A visual showing the Van Allen belts surrounding the Earth and a spacecraft orbiting around it. Shot 4. Gamma ray bursts. Gamma ray bursts are massive explosions that can happen in space. They release more energy in a few seconds than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. Fortunately, they happen several billion light-years away from our planet, or else it could be game over for all of us. Visual. A visual showing a massive explosion happening far away from Earth. Shot 5. Asteroids. Asteroids are enormous pieces of rock and metal that orbit around the sun. They can range in size from just a few feet to hundreds of miles wide. If an asteroid were to hit the Earth, it could wipe out entire cities, if not the entire planet. Visual. A visual showing a giant asteroid heading towards Earth, and an explosion upon impact. Shot 6. Space junk. Space junk is the debris that humans have left behind while exploring space. It consists of broken satellites, rocket stages, and other litter that has been left behind. It can be dangerous for astronauts and satellites in space and can cause serious injuries and damage. Visual. A visual showing the amount of space junk that surrounds the Earth. Shot 7. Solar flares. Solar flares are intense bursts of energy that come from the sun. They can cause electromagnetic storms that can knock out power grids and other electrical systems on Earth. These flares can be dangerous for astronauts in space, and they can cause radiation sickness and other health problems. Visual. A visual showing a solar flare coming from the sun and the effects it can have on Earth. Shot 8. Dark energy. Dark energy is a mysterious force that is accelerating the expansion of the universe. It's called dark because we can't see or detect it, but it's estimated to make up around 68% of the entire universe. No one knows exactly what it is or how it works, but it could pose a significant threat to the future of the universe. Visual. A visual showing the universe expanding, and an unknown, dark force pushing it forward. Shot 9. Supernovae. Supernovae are massive explosions that happen when a star runs out of fuel. They are so powerful that they can outshine entire galaxies and release more energy than the sun will produce in its entire lifetime. Fortunately, they happen far away from our planet, or else it could be game over for all of us. Visual. A visual showing a massive explosion of a star, outshining the galaxy. Shot 10. Time. Time is a strange concept in space. Time can be slowed down or speed up depending on how fast you are moving or how strong the gravitational pull is. It's a complicated theory, but it's been proven by scientists. It means that if you were to go on a mission that lasts for years, then you would come back to Earth, and time will have moved much faster for everyone that was left behind. Visual. A visual showing a time lapse where each frame represents a different point in time.